Hi everyone, welcome back to Houseplant Essentials. I'm your host Bryce. So glad to have you here with me today. In today's video, I'll be doing a little unboxing. Yes. A little unboxing of the plant that I ordered from stevesleaves.com. Such a great place to order from. Very easy, straightforward. So this is what the package looks like. It's pretty cool. I don't know what else to say about the package, except that I want to rip it open and see what's in it. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, so I've got my knife here and I've got my box here, and I'm just gonna cut it open carefully. And let's see here. I don't know what it says, but I'm just gonna cut it open. So here we go. And funny story, I think my neighbor got a package and I thought it was my package, and then I was all confused and took it in my apartment and I thought, oh my gosh, what is this? And then gave it back to them. So mine is here. Ta-da! So there is the top of my package, and I see a little Steve's Leaves stuff right there. See it? Okay, so let's just take it out carefully. Put this in between my legs, and see what this says. Steve's Leaves. Give some shipping info. I'm so excited, people, because this is my dream list item, my absolute wish list item. I absolutely love it. So here is the order information. So nothing important to me. Let's keep going. Just got some shipping stuff. It might be a little loud while I do this because it's about rush hour outside, and you know, they gotta get home from work. I am home getting my package. Oh my god. Okay. This is crazy. I don't even, I'm like hyperventilating a little bit. Like, this is insane. I think there's something else down here in the box. So cool. This is a Steve's Leaves little postcard. What to do when your order arrives. We'll look at that after we open it up. So look at that later. I want to see the plants. Philodendron brandyanum, and this is what I've been looking for so long. I can't even tell you, like, so long. I love this plant. It is such a great plant. Yeah, I just got a really good deal with it on stevesleaves.com. Really good sale going. So I'm just gonna open this up carefully. Here we go. There we go. Oh my goodness. Hi. I don't know why I just waved hi, but I did. Oh my god. Oh man. Oh my god, you guys. I can't believe you are seeing this as I'm seeing it too. This is such a great plant. The brandyanum is philodendron. It likes to climb. It's silver, and you know I love silver, right? So I'm gonna take this down and I'll show you this plant. Okay, so this is such an amazing plant. Wow, I don't even know what to say. This is amazing. I want to take this off too. Oh, this is so amazing. I have the perfect place for this in my bedroom. Such a great item. All right. Yeah, I've got the perfect little cash pot for it. It's gonna be, yeah, perfect. Let's see here. Wow. Oh my god, guys. This is insane. I do have to cut it back here. That's a little. There we go. Had to cut it a little bit. Might have to cut it again. Wow. So I think I can just take out these little things, these little sticks in there. Let's see. Hi guys again. I'm just yes, I'm a nerd. You can totally make fun of me. But yeah, I'm gonna take these out, and I think I'm probably gonna put something on this to climb, and go for it from there, like that. So let's see here. I'm gonna pull out this stuff from out under the leaves. And this is it. This is the plant. I'm like trying to like think if it needs to be like kind of pulled out and kind of like fluffed up, so to speak. That's a funny term, but yeah. So here it is in its full glory. This is the Philodendron Brandianum, and I have been wanting this plant for forever. I have not been able to find this locally. Well, I take that back. I did find it locally, but it was $100 for this price for this size right here. So I wasn't going to pay that. So I'm super excited. I'll show you exactly where I'm going to put it. All right, so the place that I've chosen for my new Brandianum is this spot in my bedroom. That's right above my propagation station. It looks really good. I'll start down here on the left showing you the plants that it is next to. It is next to this Philodendron Silver Sword. And right to the right of that is an Epiprenum Panatum Silver Blue. So we got a couple like bluish silver plants. Can't beat that. So next to that is a Philodendron Micans. Got this nice velvety texture to them. And next to that is a Rhaphidophora decursiva. So yeah, those are the plants that will be right next to. Right below it, there is a Monstera deliciosa propagation. Looks really good. And right next to that is a Tetrasperma, Rhaphidophora tetrasperma. Next to that is a tall Monstera adansonii. So it looks really good where it's at. I'm gonna be very thrilled with that. I had already thought of its place before I got it today. So yeah, very pleased. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this little video about my Philodendron Brandianum. So happy about it. I can't even tell you. Like, yeah, I have told you. Like, I love this plant. Absolutely love this plant. It is a stunner. So I can't really think of anything else that I should really cover other than if you love a plant, it's in your price range, go for it. If it's a little more expensive, think about it and then buy it. Anyway, hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that like button. While you're at it, and subscribe so that you get notified of new content when it is available. And with that, have a good day.